good morning, afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Hey! So I am here in the Philippines, yes, a new change of destination, and we are on the island Bohol, and we are going to go take some motorbikes and go on a tour of the island and see some of the famous scenery. And guess what, you get to come along again. We're going to go and stop off at the butterfly sanctuary, the chocolate hill, the man-made forest, the hanging bridge and the taser sanctuary. So yeah, I'm about to go jump on my motorbike. I don't have a GoPro, so I will try and get some footage for you on the motorbike, but we'll see how that goes. So guys, first stop on the tour is the chocolate hills at Bohol. This is one of Bohol's most famous tourist attractions, also one of the most famous tourist attractions in the Philippines. I think a lot of people actually come to Bohol just to see the chocolate hills. The point of the chocolate hills is it's in the name. They're just brown hills. they look like massive molehills. Apparently the best time to come to the chocolate hills is in between February to May, because then they are really brown. But we're in March and they're not really that brown. So don't listen to Google, because Google lies. Like, it's also not meant to be raining here, and it's raining. So I don't know. So we have reached the second destination of the bike tour. We are at the Tarsia sanctuary. Unfortunately though, you're not allowed to speak while you go around the sanctuary because it scares the poor little things. So I will just show them to you. Hey, destination 3. So now we are at the man-made forest. Again, the clue's in the name. It's literally just a man-made forest, and it's just perfectly planted trees. Like, it's just beautiful, Instagram worthy. So if you're looking to get some perfect shots for Instagram, make sure you stop off at the man-made forest. Okay, sorry guys, like, we're leaving. I can't stay inside this man-made forest. I just saw a snake. Like, I don't care whether you think I'm a baby or what. No, it's a phobia. It is a full-on phobia. So if you don't like snakes, don't come to the forest. Me gone. So touchdown, stop number 4 on the motorbike tour. We are at the hanging bridge. This is another main tourist attraction in Bohol. It literally is just a bridge made out of bamboo and wire. Originally it was pieced together by string, but now because it's such a big tourist attraction, it's just made with steel, so nobody falls off. Guys, trying to walk across bamboo is actually so much harder than you would think. Like, I cannot believe that this bridge used to be made of rope. Like, how does anybody walk across it? Look at all the people it's holding. Like, and it's literally just bamboo. Like, you probably can't appreciate how thick this is from the video. But if you come to Bohol, you need to do this, just because it's like, it's just bamboo. It's literally just pieces of bamboo. And I am easily amazed. I am easily amazed. They're not even like fat pieces of bamboo, or they're just like thin paper pieces. Honestly, I can't get over this. I think this year has been my favourite part of the day. The bridge. So, last stop on the tour, we are here at the butterfly garden. It's not just a butterfly garden, there are parrots, rabbits, all sorts of species and animals. Oh, they're so cute. So here we have the caterpillar. The caterpillar takes 2 to 3 months to turn into a butterfly.
2 months only.
Oh no, it takes 2 months only to turn into a butterfly.
Caterpillar for butterfly, they eat lots of specific leaves so that they became bigger size. So it's all alive and we arrange them individually. Chrysalis is made of skin. 1 month later, chrysalis forms or turns into an adult butterfly. Wow. So once they transform into an adult butterfly, we cannot easily transfer them because their wings is wet. So she or he needs to dry first their wings before we transfer them at the dome area.
These gold ones, pretty.
Yes. If they turn into an adult butterfly, the color of their wings is black and white, the common color for the butterfly.
What about the silver one?
That one is the orange and black. You will see it inside the garden. You think it's an artificial? No, it's all alive.
Okay, so now we're going through to the butterflies. I actually changed my mind. I think now this part has been my favourite part of today. Not the bridge.
They're having sex on my hands.
They're having sex.
They're having sex on our hands.
I don't know how I feel about that.
PG, let's keep it PG.
They're connected.
So look, they stick together for 24 hours and then that creates the caterpillar egg. Wow. Oh my god, it fully smells like chocolate. It actually it smells like chocolate bad. Oh.
Is it alive?
It's alive.
Wow.
So it's a pheromone.
Did you know that a butterfly could smell like chocolate?
Does it mind you touching it like that?
It's a pheromones of the male butterfly. So they used to attract a female.
I actually feel like I'm one with nature today. Oh, look how they're all flying off. Oh. I'm a proper naturist now. Oh.
You can put them on your nose.
Put it on your nose.
I don't know how I feel about this. Let me take a selfie.
Ah, what's your face flinching for?
This butterfly here is the second biggest butterfly. Unfortunately, they don't have the biggest one because it's not the season for them. But just look.
Welcome to the Bohol Birds Butterfly Kingdom.
This is the first time that I've ever held a parrot. Oh, okay, look. It's chewing my nose. Are you eating? Oh.
His name is Mando.
Yes, Mando. Mando is his name. Look at this. Mando.
Yes. Hello. Say hello to Mando.
Hello, Mando. This is a chicken.
Yes.
This is the fluffiest chicken
I've beside you.
Oh. It's the fluffiest chicken I have ever seen.
Just open its wings.
Look. Hey, YouTube fam, say hello to Mando. Mandex. Okay, YouTube, say hello to Mandex. It's very fluffy, right?
It's the only male chicken that will get pregnant.
Oh, did you hear that? He's the only male chicken that can get pregnant.
Yes.
What? I didn't even know. So he's a male chicken that can get pregnant. Oh my god, no. Hold the wings.
Okay.
Mandex is ugly. I actually believe that this chicken can get pregnant by...
Yes.
What? A male chicken can get pregnant? I'm still trying to get over this fact. So guys, that is it for the motorbike tour around Bohol. I am tired, like I'm ready to sleep. It's too early to sleep yet, but oh. That's another thing about the Philippines. You will constantly hear roosters all day and all night. But anyway, yeah, that is the end of the tour. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you are ever in Bohol, I do really suggest that you just grab one of the locals like we did and get on the back of a bike and make them take you to all the tourist attractions. It really is safe. They're not just random men on the road. Here they use motorbikes as taxis, so you can just say to them, I want a tour of the island, and they will do that for you. It really is safe. Like when you get on there, there's a number plate number, they give you a card, so if they act in a way that you're not happy with, you can make a complaint. It's not no dodgy business or anything. The way that they have it set up around here really is really clever. All of the places that we went to I will link down below for you. There are so many more tourist attractions in Bohol that you can get to see. Unfortunately though, we were just so tired after those few that we saw, because they're not close. Like the motorbike journeys, it's about a 20-minute journey, 40-minute journey in between each one, so it really does knacker you out. But definitely I would do all of the things that I did today, especially the butterfly sanctuary. That was the best, it really was. And yeah, definitely just grab one of the locals and tell them to take you on a tour, because I personally think that's the best way of seeing the island. And don't get in a tuk-tuk taxi, get on a bike, because if you get on a bike you can just see so much more. And we didn't only see the attractions that I showed you while we were going around on the bike. The men were stopping and showing us like the towns where people live, their different beaches, where they eat. It's all too much to put in the vlog, but like I say, if you ever go to Bohol, just make sure you do it. Okay guys, see you later.